Show that the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon is 540 degrees. Now the formula for sum of interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where n represents the number of sides the polygon has. Now here, since we have been given a pentagon has 5 sides. So here sum of interior angles of a pentagon becomes 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. Now 5 minus 2 is 3 and 3 times 180 gives us 540 degrees, which means the sum of all the interior angles of a given pentagon is equal to 540 degrees. Now moving on to the next question. In this part, all angles are in degrees. The diagram shows 5 interior angles of a pentagon written in terms of x. Write down an expression in terms of x for the sum of interior angles of the pentagon. Give your answer in its simplest form. Now here we have been given a pentagon whose angles are given in terms of x. We need to find out the sum of all the interior angles of this pentagon. Since we are talking about the sum, we have to add all these angles given to us. So here we have written sum of interior angles of a pentagon is equal to, now let us start with this angle, that is 3x minus 25 plus 3x minus 5 plus x plus 40 plus 2x plus x plus 35. Now they have asked us to give the answer in the simplest form, which means we have to add the like terms or subtract the like terms. Now here we are going to add all the x terms because they are like terms. So 3x plus 3x gives us 6x, 6x plus 1x gives us 7x, 7x plus 2x is 9x, and 9x plus 1x is 10x. Now let us add the constants. So here we have taken minus 25, minus 5, plus 40 and plus 35. So this is going to give us plus 45. So here the simplest form of sum of interior angles of this given pentagon is 10x plus 45. This is going to be our answer. Now moving on to the next question. Work out the value of x. Now we have got the sum of interior angles of a pentagon in terms of x, that is 10x plus 45. We had also got the sum of interior angles of a pentagon as 540. So on the left hand side we have taken 540 is equal to 10x plus 45. Now we have taken 45 on the other side of equal to sign. So we get 10x is equal to 540. Now plus 45 becomes minus 45. So this simplifies as 10x is equal to 540 minus 45 gives us 495. Now taking 10 on the other side of equal to sign, we get x equal to 495 over 10, which gives us 49.5 degrees. So this is the value of x over here. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out this playlist where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.